Prime Minister Rala Gusmão and the Cambodian Ambassador discussed cooperation, ASEAN, and regional stability. Prime Minister Xanana Gusmão received a courtesy visit from the Cambodian Ambassador to Timor-Leste, Chun Sovanarith. The meeting focused on strengthening bilateral ties and Timor-Leste's aspiration to become a full member of ASEAN this year.
I just paid a courtesy call on His Excellency Xanana Gusmão, the Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. With fruitful results today, we touched on cooperation between Cambodia and Timor-Leste in existing areas of cooperation such as economic cooperation, trade, commerce, educational cooperation, tourism, agriculture, post, telecommunications, and etc. etc. We also discussed and shared views on ASEAN, regional peace and stability. Especially, we mainly focused on Timor-Leste's ASEAN full membership this year. We look forward to working more closely with ASEAN member states in order to have Timor-Leste to become a full member of ASEAN this year. So we wish a good success. We wish a successful dream for Timor-Leste to join ASEAN this year. And we also shared our views on the past lessons, the history between Cambodia and Timor-Leste in terms of finding peace, reconciliation, and unity of the country.
This marks Ambassador Sovanarith's first official engagement as Cambodia's resident ambassador in Delhi. They also discussed preparations for the upcoming visit of the President of Cambodia's Senate, Samdech Hun Sen. Known as a father of peace in Cambodia, Hun Sen is scheduled to arrive in Delhi on May 7th and will conclude his visit on May 9th. The visit is seen as a step forward in deepening the friendship between the two nations and reinforcing Timor-Leste's position in regional diplomacy.